Chess sets came in two kinds, portable or beautiful, hardly ever both. The portable ones are plastic. They bend, they crack, they feel like nothing. And the beautiful ones are too heavy to move. That bothered me for a long time. Then one day, I was staring at a lunchbox. 3 tiers, everything stacks. One handle, and it goes with you. So I stripped a chess set into parts. The chess pieces, the board, and a box built to carry all of it. That was the idea. But how do you actually make one? Walnut and beech, cut into end grain so every square shows the rings of the tree. Magnets to lock the board. And the pieces, cast in resin, weighted, set on a solid brass base with brass detailing at the crown. And all of it fits in one box you carry with one hand. So let's take it step by step and see how it actually happened.